In today's video, I am doing a kitchen drawer organization video. This is number 2. This is a follow-up of the first one that I have uploaded to my channel. This divider that you see here in the drawer, I got it from IKEA, as well as the little containers. Those are da Variera, which are €1.99, €1.99. I got them from IKEA. And also the little containers where you see all my spices, I also bought those from IKEA. The labels I made myself in Word, and I will be linking a video in how to make that. It's something super easy and you can do whatever font you want. So this is the spice cabinet drawer, and these are the utensils that I use the most when I'm cooking. This is the area right next to the stove, and I like to keep all of my cutting boards. I also like to keep my cooking oil, and I like to keep all the wooden utensils that I use for cooking. And this is the other side of the stove, and I like to put my oven mittens in here. This is how the area right next to the stove looks like. It's functional, and I have all the things that I need handy. This deep container that I'm showing you here, I bought it from IKEA, and it's Variera, and it's €3.99. It's very handy to organize all the things around your drawers. In this drawer right here, I am storing larger spoons, the soup ladles, the aluminum foil, the wax paper, the Ziploc bags, and items that I usually use when I bake. In this drawer, I am storing all of my Pyrexes and all of my glass food storage containers. In this pull-out rack, I am storing all of the cooking oils, the vinegar. I'm also storing all the sauces and anything that is liquid. For this drawer, I'm using an organizer. The name of it is Poop, and it's €6.99, and I bought it from IKEA. I love this IKEA organizer because it's perfect. It has little dividers, and it holds everything in place. So this drawer is gonna be holding all of my mugs, all of my coffee cups, and it's just perfect because when the drawer opens and closes, the things are not going to hit each other and they're not going to break. Everything is going to be kept in one place. So I'm using another one for the bottom drawer, and this bottom drawer is holding dessert cups, is also holding a lot of other things that I have which are made out of glass or ceramic, and I just don't want them to break, so they're perfect in these little pockets that the divider has. So when the drawer opens and closes, again, nothing is gonna break. On this drawer, I'm gonna be putting all my forks and all my spoons and all my knives. These are the cutlery that we use to eat, and this cutlery container, I bought it from IKEA, and it's very flexible. You could cut it to size. As you see, I have cut it to size to fit my drawer, and it's gonna keep all my spoons, my forks, my knives, the little spoons, the bag holders, all the little things that I have is gonna keep them in one place. This drawer is going to be holding all of the knives that I have. It's going to hold all the large knives as well as the steak knives. In this drawer, I'm putting all of my small kitchen tools, for example, the potato peelers, the can openers, all the little things that I usually have that I use on a daily basis. Instead of having them in different drawers here and there, I'm putting everything into one small drawer, and I have everything contained into one place. And on this very last drawer, I'm going to put all of my husband's snacks. It's going to hold all of his cookies and his Nutella. So it's a place that he can keep all of his stuff in one place. I hope that I have given you all inspiration in how to organize your kitchen drawers and in what to put inside of your kitchen drawers and what to buy to organize your kitchen drawers. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it now. And thanks for watching. Bye.